The race to reclaim technological supremacy is on, and Sandia National Laboratories might just hold the key to restoring America's lost dominance in chipmaking. While it may sound like a plot from a sci-fi thriller, this is very much reality, and the stakes couldn't be higher. The US, once the uncontested leader in semiconductor production, has seen its share of the global market plummet to a mere 12%. Now, with industries ranging from smartphones to quantum computing depending on advanced chips, the pressure is mounting to turn things around. Enter Sandia, armed with cutting-edge innovations like chiplet technology and quantum-ready processors, ready to face the challenge head-on. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Sandia isn't going at it alone. By becoming the first national laboratory to join the US National Semiconductor Technology Center, NSTC, under the Chips and Science Act, Sandia is spearheading a collaborative effort that brings together academia, industry leaders, and government resources. You could say the CHIPS Act has brought the band back together, says Mary Monson, Sandia's Senior Manager of Technology Partnerships and Business Development. This unified approach aims to accelerate innovation and tackle some of the nation's most pressing tech challenges. Challenges that affect everything from your smartphone to national security. So why does this matter so much? Consider the pandemic-era chip shortage as a wake-up call. Remember those empty car lots and halted production lines? That was a direct result of supply chain disruptions in semiconductor manufacturing. As Rick McCormick, Sandia's senior scientist for semiconductor technology strategy, explains, an average car contains 1,400 chips, while electric vehicles use over 3,000. With other countries investing upwards of $300 billion to dominate the semiconductor space, the US is playing catch-up through initiatives like the CHIPS Act, which seeks to boost domestic capacity to at least 25% of the world's state-of-the-art chips by 2032. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about making chips. It's about reimagining how they're made. One of the most exciting advancements comes in the form of chiplets. These modular components allow multiple smaller chips to work together seamlessly, communicating at lightning speed while consuming minimal energy. Imagine building a high-performance processor without needing a single massive expensive chip. Modern AI systems already leverage this technology, but Sandia's role is to democratize access, ensuring smaller companies and national security projects can benefit too. Through facilities like MESA, a hub for microsystems engineering and advanced cleanroom technologies, Sandia is already producing chiplets for critical applications such as defense and non-proliferation efforts. However, there's another looming issue that could derail progress: the workforce gap. According to the Semiconductor Industry Association, the US will need between 60,000 and 70,000 additional workers to meet growing demands. Without enough skilled professionals entering the field, even the best technologies risk stalling in development. Here again, Sandia steps up, positioning itself as a training ground for future STEM talent. By engaging students and fostering educational partnerships, the lab hopes to address this potential crisis while simultaneously strengthening its own staffing pipeline. Collaboration lies at the heart of Sandia's strategy. As part of its NSTC membership, the lab plans to open its doors wider, sharing its cutting-edge facilities with private partners and other members. This move supports one of Sandia's core missions: facilitating technology transfer, by helping external organizations enhance their capabilities. Sandia not only bolsters the broader semiconductor ecosystem, but also reinforces its own contributions to national. Or should we prepare for a future where collaboration across borders becomes essential? These are debates worth having, and ones we'd love to hear your thoughts on. Do you think Sandia's efforts will be enough to shift the tide? Share your perspective in the comments below. Stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to SciTech Daily's newsletter for updates on breakthroughs like these.